YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we got another special treat for you. We are going to walk you through HammerTech Solutions all new all metal tool, as well as compare it to the original OEM manufacturer's tool and just kind of show you guys some differences and benefits for each tool. Today we are going to go through BlueSquare. Stay tuned. All right guys, and we're back. So again, today we're gonna run through BlueSquare, their pop-up head removal tool, the original OEM removal tool, as well as HammerTech Solutions all new all metal tool. So both definitely do the functionality in terms of being an all metal version for the heads very well. The main difference you can see right off the bat is the BlueSquare tool here does not come with a handle. So they do give you an extended longer tube here at the top that does have a steel bolt with a wing nut here that will detach and actually slide into your pool pole, where you can feed this bolt through in the wing nut, so then that way you can still attach it to the bottom of the pool pole to be able to reach those heads in the deep end, so you don't have to go swimming, especially in the winter months. We do have a BlueSquare head here for you. This is actually their Pro Tool 1. So this is meant for their Q360 style heads. So very important if you do have a different version of the BlueSquare heads. This new HammerTech tool, as well as the OEM, will not work for those heads. They do take a different tool. One big way you can tell here on the top is BlueSquare does have their logo, as well as the slots on the side here that fit this tool specifically. And as you can see, the tool itself does have little slots on each end, both versions, that actually slide on and grab the edges of the head to make sure that when you are removing it or installing it, you do get a good grip on the head itself. So again, right off the bat, one huge difference is the handle. The next difference that we move into is the HammerTech Solutions actually gives you the all metal, all new knuckle. With this, all you're getting is just a straight pipe. So when you're trying to get down on it, you are having to put a lot of force on the pool pole itself to twist out these old heads. The one benefit with the HammerTech tool is that you can actually get down to about a 90-degree angle to be able to lock into the head and get a little bit better of an angle to twist those stuck or stubborn heads out of the collar. So one huge benefit. The other differences here is the outside edges of the tool. So the original OEM actually has these metal flanges on the side, which do grab the nozzles here on the head. So it is very beneficial, but it's not needed. So with the HammerTech all metal, they actually got rid of those on each side of the head so that you don't have to work so hard to make sure that you align those prongs into the top of the head. So as you guys can see, it does grab really nicely. As I showed you before, you can wiggle it around. Definitely an upgrade if you are moving from the original OEM to HammerTech Solutions. Definitely highly recommend. Make sure you guys check out all those links down below. We actually have a link for the HammerTech, as well as a link to the original OEM tool, as well as all of the BlueSquare heads, so that you guys can purchase those all direct from us. So again, today we just kind of took you through a basic overview of the BlueSquare OEM all metal Pro Tool 1, as well as HammerTech Solutions all new all metal tool, and just kind of let you guys see the differences between both, and let you guys kind of decide from there. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. We've got more videos coming your way on these tools in action, so you guys can actually see these hooked up to a pool pole and watch how simple they are to remove and install new heads. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.